Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to upload IMS Inward invoices from Tally Prime to the GST portal using the Invoice Management System (IMS). You are all set for the upload once you have reviewed the downloaded invoices in IMS Inward Supplies report and set the appropriate action status such as accepted, rejected, or pending. Press Alt-Z, go to all GST options, and select Upload IMS Inward Invoices. The Upload IMS Inward Invoices screen appears. Now you can easily upload all your invoices at one go by pressing S. If you want to select specific invoices for upload, press spacebar. Moreover, you can configure the invoices to be uploaded based on your business needs. Press F8 to include the already uploaded invoices if required. Press Ctrl B to open basis of values. You can include transactions based on the action status such as accepted, rejected, pending, or all statuses. Include already uploaded invoices, invoices where upload is in progress, and invoices rejected by the GST portal earlier. To know more about uploading IMS Inward invoices, click the I button and click Get Help. Once you are set, press S to start uploading. Press Y to continue. As the upload progresses, you can track the status right on the screen. Once the upload is successful, a confirmation message will appear. Sometimes, due to high traffic or server issues on the portal, invoices might not get uploaded instantly. In such a case, the upload status will be in progress. You can refresh the GST status after a few minutes. To do so, click the bell icon and drill down from the notification. Press R to refresh. Alternatively, press Alt-Z, all GST options, and select Refresh GST status. Press R to refresh the GST status of the IMS invoices. If you haven't logged into your GST profile already, you will be prompted to do so. Press S or Enter to send an OTP. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. Once the upload is successful, a confirmation message will appear. To easily monitor the activities, press F1. Troubleshooting, and select Online GST Activity Tracker. You can see the date and time of the activity along with the activity status. As you saw, uploading IMS Inward invoices from Tally Prime is quick and effortless. Thank you. To know more about Tally Prime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.